I put plus here. Don't get complicated, people. Guys, look how the protection is here. Oh, I thought, but I'll give you a hint here. I'll get it here. Show here, Julia. Oh, you saw it was super fast. How did it get there? Oh, I think you can see. This is the garage, guys. How are you guys doing? Today, very quickly, we are going to apply wax here.
Plus.
Two ways, right? There is one way here that I found. Very cool. I will show you here, right? Already has the conventional application that we already know, and this other way I found. But cheap, I want to share this here with you. A+ wax. She is a wax cleaner. So, beyond it is giving a protection, a poison. She also decontaminates some dirt. That gets, she still manages to have a little bit of this abrasiveness to make this cleaning. And that's it. Let's go here now for the video. And let's see here how we are going to do it here, which is super easy. The video today is a ball show. Now let's apply the form. Conventional that we are already used to. I put here A+. In another container, he saw people who did not. Her container and her application is very quiet. You come here, oh. Right, and applies. But it's really quiet. The citizen question, what happens is that you have to use, preferably small amount, to the time of the finish. No, don't get complicated, people. To remove excess wax, let her act here for a few minutes too. So, does not apply. Wax on the whole car to then remove. This is a mistake. Will harden the wax. You won't think it's cool to wax your car. You will find right work. So, what's the advice here? A hood like this, you start here. Starts here. I like to apply here. You've already been doing the finishing. It's good, right? Is the product action time. And you won't get so tired. I will show you here a way that I found very interesting. We are applying this wax here too. Color saw, little amount saw. Oh, spread it well. This other side here, I'm going to do it the other way. Right, I will now do. Or finishing. I will do the finishing here. I didn't wait long enough, guys. But look here. Shows here Julia or. Guys, look how it is already here. Why? Maybe a little more distant, Julia. Look how it is already here. Just this little time that we left the wax acting here. People, I will tell you one thing here. This wax, every time you go to wash your car at home and anywhere, applies wax. Don't just bathe. Apply protection. Smooth surface. Smooth touch. Gets hydro. Call the match. It's just cost-benefit saw. Guys, look how the protection is here. Oh. Stays show. Ball this angle here with the right plus. And she has a cool hydro repellency saw. I'll even show you already here for you here at the end of the video. Let's do the test here of hydro repellency here from this wax. Let's use here one sandpaper here on the other part here of the hood, right? It's guys one sandpaper. But calm there. It's not with sandpaper, it's not. We will use one soft beret. Certain of refining and polishing to make this contour. I took a test, I won't lie to you. I did a test. I thought it was nice to apply the wax that way, right? Don't tire your arm. If you call there, what are you? That you will. They will say in the comments there, oh. I will put here why. Like people, this is not polishing. Here I am alone. Saving the question of my right time. And also not to get so tired, because you know it will be a whole car, and it will be a hood, is one thing, and it will be the whole car. Already requires more or sweat. Continues. We are increasing the speed here. And here, I will give you a tip here. I'll get you here. Here, I will turn off here. I'll turn it off, and I'll give you a tip here. Oh, you see how bad I used to. We already applied wax here, almost in every bad hood. But I'll give you one tip here. I'll get it here. One delicious wax. Right, just to give one lubricate. You can lubricate here, why? Can lubricate right here. And then you come here, oh. Guys are very good. Oh, very quickly. Oh, this is not a polish. Saw people. It's not polishing, it's just the shine. Soft beret. And let's see how it gets ready here. Show here, Julia. Oh, you saw it was super fast. And I saved time and product. Oh, you see it's pretty even. Wax application. And now we're going to do what? Let's do it here. The right finish, oh. Look there, people. Look there. Oh, look there. The face. Top this here. Look there, oh. Soft beret. Certain refining and polishing. As I said, it is not a polish. More people. Look at the angle here. Look here at the audio you already gave here, why? In the hood. What was the time that I took here? Oh, I'm recording a video for you here. Then we are. Is explaining the methodologies. This, guys, is one tip. You do it the way you like. You do manual. That is already known to everyone. A wax applicator lets it act there for 5 minutes. Remove beauty. With this, you have a little animal like that, hence a little sandpaper like that. Guy, look here. Look there. Oh, look at that. How beautiful it looked here, why? Soon, people. Let's apply here now at Paralama here. Oh, how fast. Oh, I will do here as if it were one polish. Oh, very little amount. Oh, 3 drops. Right comes here, why? Ready, already spread well here, why? Okay, it was. Look there, oh. Show well here, Julia. Why, how well uniform it looks, why? Wax application. Oh, well uniform. You can see right there. So finish here now. Guys, look here, oh. The training we did really fast. Really fast. But look how it got there. Oh, I think you can see. Guy, I liked it too much, so it was really cool. Very fast.